Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to turn on the dark mode on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to turn on the dark mode on your Microsoft Word mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, I just open a new document here. Okay, let's consider we just need a dark mode here. So just click on this three dot option on the top, and now you just scroll down. You will see this option on the bottom called setting. Just click this. So here you just need to click on the device preference. In this theme section, just click this. Now here you just need to click on this dock option, which actually turn on the dock for 24 hours. So you just need to select, after selecting the theme, you just need to reset the app to apply the new theme. Just code it and just close this. You can see the dock theme is applied to the Excel. So this is how you just apply dock theme on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.